What's the deal, guys? See you on K back with another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to obtain high limit credit cards in less than 3 to 6 months. Number 1, trade lines or piggybacking. Everybody knows this is the number one way in order to obtain high limit credit cards. This is due to the fact that the person's trade lines that you're purchasing, once they go on your credit report, you'll acquire all of their good history, whether if it's payment history or backdated credit card limits. So if their limit is $20,000, that $20,000 credit card limit is going to get reported on your credit report. If they have been having the card open for 8 years, that will be reported on your credit report, depending on which cards and which creditors they are. Number 2, secured loans. Obtaining primary secured loans for $5,000 to $10,000 range will guarantee you that you're hitting all strong data points for high-end funding in the future. If you're getting secured credit cards for $300 to $1,000, when you go apply for funding, that's what they're going to approve you for, because that's what's on your credit report and that's how you built out your credit report. Build out a strong credit report by investing into your credit to make it pay you on the back end. Number 3, manufacturer spending. This is how you increase your credit card limits, by having the creditors run you for an increase based on your spending habits. If you spend $6,000 a month on a $2,000 credit card and pay them back 3 different times, once you go for that increase in 6 months, they're going to approve you for the range that you were spending on the card. Number 4, freezing your credit bureaus before you get increases on your credit cards. This will allow the creditors that you already have the credit cards with to run you for an increase based on the amount that you're spending. So as I mentioned in the example before, manufacturer spending on a $2,000 credit card, but paying them back 3 different times for the total balance to equal up $6,000. When you apply for your increase, they're not going to pull your credit report, they're going to pull your spending habits with the credit card that you already have. So make sure you freeze those 3 main bureaus before you go apply for your credit increase. Number 5, making sure that you hide utilization from your creditors before they report it back to your credit bureaus. This is going to provide you the ability to have $100,000 or $50,000 in credit card limits with having a 0% utilization, guaranteeing you that whenever you apply for more funding in the future, you will get approved.